Yesterday, May the 31st, would have been the birthday of the wonderful Judy Campbell, and next Saturday will be the anniversary of her death. So both my songs this week are going to be in honour of Judy, remembering her. We had met some time before, but we became close friends when we both appeared in the German Street Review, and for the last few years of her life she became a very important part of mine. This song was a song that she introduced, and you can see the sheet music over my left shoulder for the occasion. And in the German Street Review, she did it again as an old lady revisiting the scene of her young love. I'd like to sing that this evening. When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell, songbirds sing, winter turns to spring. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath the spell. I know such enchantment can be, for it happened one evening to me. That certain night, we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when we turned and kissed good night, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up all golden blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream? Was it true? Our homeward step was just as light as the tap-dancing feet of a stair, and like an echo nightingale sang in Berkeley.